Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at the following system of equations problem. It says x and y satisfy the system of equations below. Our problem wants us to figure out what would be the value of y plus x. So my end goal in this problem is to evaluate y plus x. So I need to find my value of y and my value of x and then plug them back in. If you remember, there are three common ways for solving a system of equations. There is graphing. You can graph the lines and see where they intersect. You can use substitution. You can isolate a variable and then plug it into the other equation. Or you can use the elimination method or the linear combination method. It's called both of those things. I'm going to use this third method, linear combination or elimination. So what this means is I'm going to combine my two equations, but I need to figure out a variable that I can eliminate when I combine them. So I'm going to target my x values. So in the top equation I have -2, in the bottom equation I have -7. Well, the least common multiple between 2 and 7 is 14. So I'm going to turn each one of these expressions into a 14. And one needs to be positive, the other needs to be negative. What I'm going to do is I am going to multiply this top equation by 7. That will turn that -2x into a -14x. So when I rewrite that, it's 7 times -2x, which is -14x. 7 times 6y, that would be a positive 42y, equals, and then 7 times 6 again is 42. And remember, we want to make one equation -14x, and we want the other equation to be positive 14x. So in this equation, the way I would turn a -7x into a positive 14x is to multiply by -2. So I'm going to multiply everything by -2. So -2 times -7 is positive 14, and don't forget your x. -2 times positive 8y is -16y, equals -2 times -5 is positive 10. At this point, I'm ready to combine my equations, and if you notice, the x's are going to eliminate. -14x and positive 14x, that makes 0x, so we say that these two terms cancel out. 42y minus 16y is 26y, so I bring that down, 26y, equals 42 and 10, both of these are positive, so that makes 52. Then when I divide both sides by 26, I get that y equals 52 divided by 26, which is 2. So I figured out my y value. To finish this problem up, I am going to come back to one of my original equations. I'm going to pick the top equation. The numbers in that equation are a little bit smaller, so it'll be a little bit easier to work with. And what I need to do is I need to substitute my y value in for y in this expression. So I have -2x plus 6 times y, which we found out to be 2, equals 6. At this point, I'm going to bring down -2x. I haven't done anything with it yet. 6 times 2 is 12. I need to subtract 12 from both sides. I now have -2x equals -6. And then my final step is to divide both sides by -2. And I get that x equals -6 divided by -2 is positive 3. We need to make sure we come back to the original equation, which says what would be the value of y plus x. So if I evaluate y plus x, that is just the expression 2 plus 3. So the single answer that I want, 2 plus 3, is 5. That would be my final answer for this problem. Hey everyone, I hope this practice problem was beneficial. If you enjoyed it, check out the video description. There's a link to some more practice problems. I'll also link to any videos that might be useful. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.